In this video, I'll show you how to create custom cursor on Windows 11. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open settings on your Windows device. To be able to open settings on your Windows device, you can go ahead and press Win I on your keyboard or head over into the Start menu and then press on the Settings button from here. On the Settings button, head over into the Devices tab since this is where you'll usually find the mouse settings. So head over into the mouse settings by clicking on mouse on the left sidebar under devices settings, and then go ahead and customize how you want your mouse to be. You can go ahead and use this setting such as select your primary button, cursor speed, roll the mouse wheel to scroll, choose how many lines to scroll each time, and all of these available settings under your mouse settings to be able to customize your cursor on Windows 11. That's basically how you can create custom cursor on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.